Wolfpack 325Pack13. Start crossing things off your bucket list with the Wolfpack 325Pack13. Fill up your fuel cells on the way to your destination so you won't have to stop to run to the gas station. With doors on each side of the outside storage area, you won't have to climb in to get at your things. Convert the rear ramp door into a lovely patio so you don't have to sit in the dust on the ground. The garage can easily be transformed into living space with a set of sofas and an electric bed. The half bath in the garage is convenient and helps keep the living space cleaner, since you won't have to track through the rig to get to the toilet. Just outside the garage is access to the overhead loft, which makes for a great area for the kids. Make meals quick when you're in a hurry with the easy-to-reach convection microwave. The large dinette provides ample seating space during the day and turns into a bed at night. Relax and get cleaned up in the privacy of your own full bath after a dusty day on the track. Your cozy master bedroom has a snug bed with storage underneath as well as around the headboard. Find out more at lakeshore-rv.com or call 231-788-2040.